Your Google Business Profile could be the reason you're not getting calls. If you're not showing up in the top 3 spots of Google Maps, the local pack, you're leaving serious money on the table. Let's fix that. I'm Ryan Steinelson, founder of Accelerate Marketing. We've helped hundreds of local businesses optimize their Google Business Profiles, dominate local search, and build a steady stream of inbound calls over the last 17 years. Think of your Google Business Profile as your digital storefront. When people search for your service, like personal injury lawyer near me or best HVAC company in Miami, Google shows them a map with 3 results. That's where you want to be, because 70% of users click those top 3 listings before they ever scroll down to websites. Here's what we see all the time. Businesses have duplicate profiles. Categories are incorrect. There's no regular updates or posts, and reviews are left unanswered. Photos are missing or outdated. And here's the big one. Many don't even verify their businesses properly. So here's how to fix it. Fill out every section of your Google Business Profile completely. Services, hours, business, description, photos, Q&A, post weekly, Google Rewards activity, use keywords naturally in your description and updates, ask for and respond to reviews consistently. Google recently changed how verification works, shifting from Google Guaranteed and Screened to Google Verified. That badge builds instant credibility and can dramatically improve conversion rates. Your Google Business Profile can literally be your #1 lead source if it's optimized correctly. If you want help boosting your local visibility, getting verified, and ranking higher in the map pack, text us to 619-304-5155 and let's get your phone ringing again.